Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you to remove watermark from your images free of cost. So here you can go and type remove watermark from image online. And here you can see this one is amazing tool that lets you remove any type of watermark from your images free of cost. So this is just for one or two images, but if you want to remove watermark for the bulk images, then you can upgrade and get the plan. So let me go here and upload the image. So now we need to wait for a few seconds, and here you can see this one is the actual image, and now watermark is removed. So now you can simply go and click on download button. So in this way you can easily remove watermark from your images within one click.